Good evening, friends. Today start Salesforce dashboards interview questions. Very important questions since the interview crack the Salesforce job profiles. So start the questions. First questions: what are the dashboards? Dashboards in the Salesforce are like the dashboard in your the car that is tell you the how much gas is left or the temperatures outside. They contain a number of key data point and metrics about an organization, including the sales numbers, customers' feedbacks, score, finance, trend. Next questions: what are the dashboards compounds? Dashboards compounds are the piece of the information that you can add to the dashboards. These include the metrics, days, image, if uploaded, and the charts. When the building your one dashboards in the Salesforce admin, there is a no limit on how many different the type of the data points or the compounds you can use to the build them. Next question: what are the dynamic dashboards? Dynamic dashboards are an update on the traditional dashboards. They have a five key different from the other static questions, including the ability to change colors and set parameters such as a sales territory or date range. Next questions: what is the dashboard layout? Layout refer to how you decide to the organic your matrix on this type of the visual representation. You can group by a person, category, all in the marketing or time the frame all the yesterday. Choose the wisely. Next question: can I export my dashboards data into Excel or Google spreadsheet? Yes, if you want to take it offline with you so that other don't see if will making the adjustment. Just go right the ahead and save it out from there. Next questions: how would you define a good dashboards in the content of the business intelligence and data analyst? Good dashboards in the content of the business intelligence and data analyst in one of that is able to effectively com- communicate the most important informations to the users in the easily digestible format. The dashboard should be tailored to specific needs of the users and should be updated in the real time to reflect the most current data. Next questions: can you give me some example of the real world dashboards that are already in use in the Salesforce? There are five example of the real world dashboards. What are the already in use in the Salesforce? One example in the sales pipeline dashboards, which given the users and overview of their sales pipeline and allow them to track the progress. Another example in the service cloud, the dashboards which given the customer service reps on overview of their open the case and allow them to track the progress. Next question: what are the different type of the dashboards available in the Salesforce? There are the four types of the dashboards available in the Salesforce list. Dashboards. These are the simplest type of the dashboards and only dashboards display a list of the records. Summary dashboards. Dashboards display summaries of data such as a count of the records or some of the values. Matrix reports. These dashboards display data in the matrix or grid format. Chart dashboards. These are the dashboards display in the graphics format such as a line or bar chart. Next question: what is the dynamic dashboards? Dynamic dashboards is a type of the dashboards that allow users to interact with the data and change the way it is displayed. This type of the dashboards is often used in the business setting where users need to be able to manipulate the data to see different trend or patterns. Next question, what is the difference between the interactive and non-interactive the dashboards? The main difference between the interactive and non-interactive dashboards is that interactive the dashboards allow users to manipulate the data in the some way, while non-interactive dashboards do not. Interactive the dashboards might allow users to filters data in the different way or to the deal down into the specific data point for more the information on interactive the dashboards. On the other hand, simply person the data in the static the way. Next question, what is the live the dashboard in the context of the enterprise software like the Salesforce? Live dashboards in the features that allow users to see real-time data from the enterprise software. This is a specifically useful in the Salesforce as it is allow users to see how their sales are progressing in real time and make the changes across. Next question, can you explain that what running the user's permission means in the Salesforce? Running user permission means by the users has a permission to access and view the data in the Salesforce. This permission can be granted by the administration or by the users themselves. Next question, what do you understand about the public vs private sharing rules in dashboarding with Salesforce? Public sharing rules allow you any users with the appropriate permissions to view the dashboard's. Private sharing rules restrict access to the only the user specify in the rules. Next questions, what do you know about the runtimes filters for the dashboards? Runtime filters are the type of the filters that can be applied to the dashboards when it is running as a opposed to being set beforehand. This is allow for the greater flexibility and the customization when using the dashboards, as users can tailor the information display to their the specific needs at any given the times. Next questions, what does the edit button under display and means the content of the creating in new dashboards in the Salesforce? The edit button under display as on the Salesforce dashboards creations page allow you to select how you would like your the dashboards to be displayed. The opposite are show as a list, show as a tables, and show as a charts. Next question, what is a default refresh interval for the dashboards in the Salesforce? The default refresh the interval for the dashboards in the Salesforce in the 13 minutes. Next questions, what are the step involved in the converting and exiting legacy report into the dashboards compounds? The first step in the to understand the business need to that dashboards compound is a meant to the address. Once that is understood, the next step it is a gather data that will be used to the populate the dashboards compounds. This data can be come from the variety of the source, including the database, spreadsheet, and text files. Once the data is gathered, is a need to be the cleaned and organized in the way that is make sense for the dashboards compounds. Finally, the dashboards compounds need to be the designing and the built. Next questions. When should I choose the lightning the compounds or the Visualforce page will be designing my the dashboards? There is a no one size fit all answer to the questions, as the best choice for your the dashboards will be depend on a number of the factors specific to your the situation. How your is the general lightning compounds are good the choice when you need to the create dashboards that are highly interactive the customizable. Will Visualforce page are the better choice when you need to the create and dashboards that is a more static and strength forwards. Next question, what do you know about the row level security in the content Salesforce dashboards builders? Row level security is a features of the Salesforce dashboards builder that allow you to control which users can see which data in the dashboards. This is accomplished by the creating filters is a restrict data based on of the users profiles or other the criteria. Next question, does Salesforce have any the build of support for the scheduling the reports on specific time in intervals? Yes, Salesforce has a number of the bird in the futures that is allow you to the schedule the report and off on specific time interval. You can use the Salesforce schedule to the schedule report to run on of the daily, weekly, monthly basic. You can also use Salesforce the report and builders to create the reports that are the automatically emails to you the schedule that you specify. Next question, what do you know about the custom reports types? Custom report types allow you to the create a report that is a due to the specific needs. You can specify which object and fields you want to the include in the reports, and you can also specify the relationship between those object. This allow you to create the reports, and that is a much more specific and integrated than standard of reports. Next question, it is a possible to the schedule reports by using the Apex code? If yes, then how? Yes, it is a possible to the schedule and reports by using the Apex code. You can do this by using the scheduler reports class. Next question, what are the wireless way to the which of the chart can added to the dashboards? There are five different way to add chart to the dashboards. One way to the users use as a online chart tools use such Google Charters, uh, High Chart. Another way to the use and plugins for the your uh, dashboard software such as a Tableau or View. Finally, you can also create the one chart using the programming language like R and Pythons. Thank you, friends. Very important questions. Please like my channels and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye, bye, friends.